Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Sa kakatapos lamang recently ng Pistang Pinoy sa South Korea ay nagpost ng pictures ang ating SB19 boys sa Instagram nila. Kaya naman, narito ang kanilang post at dagsa ng komento at syempre, nagpapasalamat ang ating SB19 boys sa walang sawang sumusuporta ng 18s at mga Pilipino sa South Korea sa event na Pistang Pinoy. Handog rin ito ng Wish Bus Exclusive. Ayan po ang mga pictures at narito naman ang mga komento ng mga fans.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look